Hey friends, Randy Dawn and a marathon coach here. We're coming at you from LaBelle, Florida. We're at RiverLandings Luxury RV Resort.
Yeah, and last time we were here, the clubhouse wasn't done. So we want to show you a little bit of the clubhouse complete. They got a car show going on here today and a bunch of coaches on display. And this is the year-end event, so...
season end.
Season end,
End
yeah.
of season,
End
I
of
guess.
season
Yes.
is a better way to put it.
Yeah.
So we'll show you around, show you some cars, show you the clubhouse, and show you what's going on. All right, I'm going to give you just kind of an overview first here. This is the new clubhouse here at RiverLanding. And that looks like that's lunch for us today. And then I'm just going to kind of scan over here, and you can see some of the lots here and the casitas or homes, whatever you want to call them. Then I'm going to scan over here, and what RiverLanding's doing is they're doing a little bit of you can see the big building there by the cars. That's actually like toy barns, man caves, other things that you can do if you have a lot here at RiverLanding. You can purchase one of these. You can buy one or two and combine them together. So kind of a neat concept here at RiverLanding. So a beautiful day for some cars. So we're gonna take a look at some cars, and we'll show you some of the coaches that are here. And stay tuned. So here's Marathon's two coaches. 2021 quad slide, Coach 1332. And then we have the pre-owned 2018 quad slide, 1262. We'll give you just a little bit of a shot here of the park. You can see all the coaches over there. See if I can make it a little bit bigger for you. Fun event, 2 days.